Experiencing glitches with your 2025 Toyota Camry's infotainment system? Let's clarify the difference between a quick reboot and a factory reset. A quick reboot is like restarting your computer. It clears temporary memory without erasing your data. This can solve minor issues like frozen apps or Bluetooth disconnection problems. To perform a quick reboot, simply press and hold the power button on your touchscreen for 5 to 10 seconds until the system shuts down and restarts. A factory reset, on the other hand, restores the system to its original settings, wiping all your saved data like playlists and navigation favorites. This method is best for persistent issues like corrupted software. Access this option via Settings, System, Reset Options, Factory Reset. Remember to back up important data before performing a factory reset. If you're having audio problems such as no sound from the speakers, start by checking your equalizer settings and HDMI overrides. For navigation issues like GPS inaccuracies, ensure your maps are up to date. The 2025 Camry system is now compatible with 5G for faster map downloads. For more in-depth troubleshooting, you can access the system's diagnostic mode by holding the back and home buttons simultaneously. Keep in mind that regular software updates are crucial. Toyota releases quarterly OTA updates to address bugs and improve performance. According to experts, outdated software accounts for 40% of infotainment issues. If problems persist, contact your Toyota dealer for warranty service.